Did you know that a metal that can heal itself has been discovered by scientists? This groundbreaking discovery could revolutionize materials science, allowing for longer-lasting and more durable products. Imagine a world where cars, bridges, and even electronics can repair themselves, reducing maintenance costs and increasing safety. This innovation not only enhances the strength of materials but also opens new avenues for sustainable engineering and design. As industries adopt this technology, we could see buildings and infrastructure that require far less maintenance over their lifetime. In consumer electronics, this could lead to devices that are both lighter and more resilient, reducing waste and improving user experience. The potential applications are vast, from fashion accessories that withstand daily wear to aerospace components that enhance safety and performance. For fascinating insights into the mysteries of the universe and the world of quantum physics, subscribe to Quantum Physics Quest. Stay updated with more videos that explore groundbreaking concepts, theories, and discoveries in the field of quantum science. Join the quest today. Discover how the tiniest particles in our universe can have profound impacts on our understanding of reality. Each episode unravels the complexities of quantum mechanics, revealing secrets that challenge our perception of time and space.